Hi, welcome. This cake recipe has saved me many times when I had to take a cake somewhere and I forgot about it, and then I'm like, oh! Mixes in one bowl and I put it together in a jiffy. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup. Oh, I need to fill this up. We can't have too little sugar. 1 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, 3 teaspoons baking powder, and then a packet of vanilla powder, half a cup milk, half a cup oil, half a cup water, and 3 eggs. That's all there is to this cake. Because this cake goes into the microwave, I like to use my silicone pan, and I've lined it with a wax paper circle I've cut out. And I'm going to put the dough in batter. The setting is on the highest level, and I've set it for 14 minutes. The cake has been in the microwave for 14 minutes, and I'm going to turn it out. I had it on a table cooling down a bit. Let me just get this here. This is normally the nerve-wracking part of getting the cake out, but I think it's beautiful. Wow. Now to level it in the plate. And there it is. I'm always amazed at the amount of effort I put into this cake and how amazing it turns out. I made a cream cheese frosting with 2 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cups cream cheese, 2 cups of icing sugar, and a bit of vanilla. I'm going to drizzle this onto the cake. Just work it to the side. I cannot deny that this is so absolutely beautiful, and it smells so good. I'm gonna have it just run a little bit over the edge of the sides. Not too much. There's nothing more ugly than a beautiful cake with topping running around in the plate. I have some white chocolate chopped. Just going to sprinkle it in the middle here to give it a bit of texture. All done, and enjoy.